This innovative tool is the Fat Freezer Platinum, the first home-use fat reduction device that freezes away up to 24% of stubborn fat.
Like most people, I always believed that diet and exercise would be enough to reduce stubborn fat. Studies show that 95% of dieters fail. Why? It's because our fat cells are like small balloons. When you diet and exercise, the fat cells shrink. And when you eat, they grow back. All the sweating and calorie counting just doesn't change the facts. Whether they shrink or grow, the number of fat cells in your body always stays the same. Wouldn't it be great to just say goodbye?
The Fat Freezer Platinum uses clinically proven technology to freeze away stubborn fat from the comfort of your own home. To optimize results, the Fat Freezer Platinum uses therapeutic BioLight in order to actively reduce the size of fat cells. The Fat Freezer Platinum will help you sculpt your body in exactly the way you want and keep it that way. It's safe, simple to use, and bottom line is, it really works. The Fat Freezer uses a medically known technology called cryolipolysis. It's a proven technique used in high-end clinics all across the globe. It's a safe and non-invasive alternative solution to liposuction. But up until today, fat freezing has just been too expensive. You would need to spend thousands of dollars on several treatments just to see results. That's why the Fat Freezer team has worked so hard to make fat freezing more accessible. After years of research and development, they've managed to shrink this expensive clinical technology into an affordable, easy-to-use, fat-freezing home device.
Fat Freezer technology uses controlled cooling to freeze away stubborn fat cells under your skin. Over the first few weeks, your body will naturally dissolve and flush out the frozen fat cells. In our clinical pilot study test for the Fat Freezer, we found the results to be overwhelming. We saw anywhere from a 10 to 24% fat reduction in stubborn areas, without any complications and no downtime. We also observed that as the fat cells were flushed out of the system, the surrounding skin and muscle tissue remained safe and healthy. Thanks to its natural dissolving process, the Fat Freezer doesn't leave any saggy pockets behind. That's why it's one of the safest and most effective aesthetic options available today. 210,000 units of our first-generation Fat Freezer have already been sold. The Fat Freezer device has been a bestseller at Sharper Image, rated 5 stars well over 200 times. The feedback has been amazing. For our second-generation product, we've taken it one step further. The Fat Freezer Platinum now includes therapeutic BioLight, which actively helps reduce the size of fat cells. Studies reveal that when the sun's blue light penetrates the skin and reaches the underlying fat cells, the fat shrinks and is naturally released from the cell walls. That's why in the summer we tend to lose weight, and in the winter we tend to gain it back. By combining the fat freezing and blue light technology, we've optimized the fat reducing process and taken it to a whole new level. These two proven technologies will allow users to better eliminate fat and keep it off.
The Fat Freezer system is the only device available that can effectively supplement your diet and exercise, yielding you maximum results for minimal effort. The bottom line is simple. Relying on diet and exercise alone to eliminate your stubborn fat is like fighting an uphill battle. If you too want to start sculpting your body, get your Fat Freezer Platinum now.
Eat delicious food and lose weight. Sound impossible? It's not. Science and real-world results have shown that the ketogenic diet is a highly effective way to lose weight, and now it's more popular than ever. The problem is that it's hard to do effectively. You don't know what to eat, and you don't know how you're doing because of the lack of feedback. Until now. Introducing Keto. Keto enables you to optimize your weight with an entirely new program that's fun and easy to use.
On Keto, you eat low-carb, high-fat foods, also known as the ketogenic diet. And this allows weight loss while eating the foods you love. Many people report improved energy, deeper sleep, and some say they have better mental focus. And by using Keto, they know what foods to eat to reach their health goals.
Keto is easy. The breath analyzer shows your keto level, which gives you rapid feedback on how you're doing and how much fat you're burning. And the app gives you guidance on what to do and what to eat based on your keto level. It's really that simple.
To lose weight, it's critical to get the right feedback. With keto, one breath tells you everything you need to know. Depending on your body type, you can expect to lose about 5% of your weight in the first 5 weeks. A lot of people in the pilot have lost even more.
Keto is great because it shows me that the foods that I love to eat, I can still eat. I get to eat cheese and I lose weight. I get to eat avocado and lose weight.
When I started the ketogenic diet, I started losing weight and then it just stopped. I had no idea why. Then I started using keto and it completely changed the way that I took in food.
We found that people who did keto with friends had better success and more fun. Because of this, we built in social challenges as a core component of the Keto app.
I like it a lot. I'm on the app all the time. I either compare myself to my buddies or, keeping some friends honest, that kind of thing.
It's really great having someone else on the app with me. Keto's a great program and it really helps me stay focused to those fitness goals I set for myself.
I get people coming up to me, hey, you're looking good, dude. What are you doing to diet or work out? And I get to tell them about the keto program.
By using keto, you can lose weight, eat delicious foods you love, and have fun while improving your health. Try keto today and take control of your life.